Hola, me llamo Sara y soy de México.
Hi, ich bin Dennis. Ursprünglich komme ich aus Konstanz und ich lebe seit ungefähr 10 Jahren in Berlin.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಪೂರ್ವ. ನಾನು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಜರ್ಮನಿನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Hola, mi nombre es Sebastián, soy originalmente de Colombia y hace 3 años vivo acá en Berlín.
Before the Hero Tech Course, I was working as a product manager in an online retail bank here in Germany.
I was working in HR in another company and I wanted a career change.
I used to be a musician. I worked with the Bogota Philharmonic. I actually play the flute, but in some moment of my life, I decided that I want new experience, new challenges.
I worked as an architect for 2.5 years in India.
The program have 2 parts. The first is a very intensive real-world bootcamp that get us fully ready for the second part, an internship.
For me, the Hero Tech Course is a great introduction to backend engineering in the real world.
I have learned how to develop myself in a fast-paced environment and in a big company like Delivery Hero.
At the beginning of the bootcamp, we start with advanced Kotlin and clean architecture. Then we dive deep into the Spring framework, but not just the syntax, but learning really how it works under the hood.
So I have learned how to structure software development projects together as a team, which helps a lot when you're working under pressure.
Hero Tech Course gives you the opportunity to develop your programming skills in a Spring-based environment.
I have grown not only technically, but also in how I approach problems, and I have learned how to work like a real dev in a team, collaborating effectively, writing clean production-ready code, and testing the features.